Hi everyone, my name is Jane and welcome to my channel. So I'm going to show you my latest favorite skincare products from Innisfree. And I know that if you are watching this video, then you must be a huge fan of Innisfree products, especially the green tea skincare products from Innisfree. I got two kinds of cleansers here with me, the green tea foam cleansers, and this one is the volcanic pore cleansing foam. And the reason why I have two is because I use one in the morning. This is at daytime, and this one here is in the evening. I cannot count how many green tea foam cleansers from Innisfree I have used up, but every now and then I stop using it because I have like new cleansers that I want to try, but I always go back to this. So this is more of a hydrating cleanser that cleans away the dirt and impurities. So it leaves your skin feeling refreshed, and at the same time it smells really good. So as soon as you clean your face with this cleanser, it will instantly help you wake up. So this is the first product that I have, and the second cleanser that I have here is the volcanic pore cleansing foam. So what it does is it helps absorb oil or sebum and dirt and washes it off your skin. So if you are the type of person who has oily skin, or you are prone to acne or pimples, this is a great product to use. The reason why I usually use this in the evening is because it helps get rid of those like dirts or whatever like gunk that you have put on your face, for example. Between these two, this is the best cleanser that kind of helps remove whatever gunk I put on my face or whatever dirt I have accumulated during the daytime. I have here this True Care Vitamin C20 ampoule. This is how it looks like. It comes with a pipette over here, so all you need to do is to remove this cap and then insert this pipette inside. This is a mild ampoule which is formulated with a high content of pure vitamin C, and it helps to soften skin and clearly brighten skin by improving the looks of skin tone, texture, and complexion. So it basically brightens the skin, it improves your skin tone, the texture, and also the complexion of your skin. It's usually used after the toner, like after washing your face, you apply some toner, and then you apply around 3 to 5 drops of this on your face, but actually I can do away with like 2 to 3 drops. So if you're someone who has sensitive skin, but you're looking for a brightening product as well as something that could help with your skin tone, this is a great product for you. So right after the ampoule, what's really good to use is this green tea seed serum, and this one is a moisture barrier. This is hydrating, very moisturizing, daily moisture barrier strengthening serum. More like a daily moisturizer actually, but this is formulated with green tea tribiotics, and it helps to take care of your dehydrated and pH unbalanced skin due to the loss of hydration. This is moisturizing, soothing, and nourishing for a healthy looking complexion, especially in Korea, because during the winter season our skin gets dehydrated or it gets dried so easily. You can use this right after your toner and ampoule, or if you are not a big fan of toner, you can actually use this right after cleansing or washing your face. In other words, you can use this with 2 other products or just this alone. And I think especially during the warmer seasons, this is enough. But the reason why I usually use this with the ampoule is because, you know, like I've said, it is the dry cold season in Korea now, and our skin needs extra hydration and moisture. So that's another great product from Innisfree. I also have here a set of green tea balancing skincare set. If you are the lazy type, or especially if you are someone who lives in let's say a warmer place like the Philippines, this is a perfect set or skincare set. You have here the balancing skin, more like the toner in Korea, but instead of that very watery type of toner, this is more like a combination actually of a toner and like a serum. So you just put a little bit of this on your palm and then just apply on your face or your skin directly. So this is huge. This is 200 ml, and along with this one is the Innisfree green tea balancing lotion. So this is more like the skin or face lotion, or sometimes we call that emulsion right here in Korea. So after this one, you can use this. If you have a busy morning, you can do away with just these two. But the good thing is that when you buy a set like this, for example, it comes with the travel sized skin or toner and lotion or emulsion here. And in addition, there is also a sample sized cream. This is 10 ml. What you can usually do is right after your lotion or emulsion, you can apply this like this. The set looks like this. All right. Definitely worth it. So the next one that I have is this green tea seed essence in lotion. Imagine busy mornings, or let's say for example a really tiring evening. You don't want to use a lot of products on your face and you just want to wash your face and then like go to bed. So all you need are these. Like in the evening, you can just use this and this. This is the essence in lotion. It's like a 2-in-1 product actually. Or in the morning, again, if you have a very busy morning and you don't want to apply a lot of products, you can just wash your face with this cleanser and moisturize your face with this essence in lotion. So this is like a 2-in-1 product. You can use this as it is, especially on your lazy days. But if you want to boost your skincare routine, you can use the essence in lotion right after your serum, or maybe right after your ampoule. So it depends on the kind of product that you use. Just apply maybe a little bit of extra cream if you have one, but basically that's it, especially for example in the Philippines where it is warmer, like on the weekends for example, or if you want some extra TLC on your skin, I highly recommend this super volcanic pore clay mask. This one is a multi-action rinse off. This is a rinse off clay mask. It helps with pore tightening, controlling sebum, as well as exfoliation, fine dust cleansing, blackhead removal, deep cleansing. It also has got this cooling effect, softening, brightening, plus firming. Believe me, you are gonna love this product. So of course you don't need to use this every day or every night. You can use this just twice a week, or if you are a busy bee like me, once a week is actually enough. Like you don't need to peel it off your skin, so it's not gonna be that harsh. It easily rinses off. It pairs really well with these pore cleansing foam. So after cleaning your face or washing your face with this volcanic cleansing foam. You just dry your face a little bit and then you apply just the appropriate amount of this. Just make sure that you avoid the eye and lip area, and then after 10 minutes, gently massage with your fingertips while rinsing off with lukewarm water. So it's very easy and simple to use. All you need is 10 to 15 minutes. So just wash or clean your face, apply this, after 10 minutes, just gently massage and rinse this off. There you go. These are basically the products that I have here with me. And if you have any questions about any of these products, don't hesitate to leave a message in the comment section down below. And I will try to answer your questions as best as I can. If you haven't yet, please consider subscribing to support my channel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up as well. Thank you again for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!